Delta 160 Heavy, Minutes area, all set there at the end.
We're all ready to go, Delta 160 Heavy.
Delta 160 Heavy, traffic, company Heavy Airbus on about an 8-mile final. Wind 18017, gust 24, fly runway heading. Runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 17, Delta 160 Heavy.
Delta 165 Heavy, cautionary turbulence, company Heavy Airbus departing.
Roger, Delta 165.
Alright, here it comes.
Heavy, turn left heading 120, contact departure.
Left turn 120 departure, Delta 160 Heavy, so long.